Welcome! If you're looking to change your Facebook password using the Facebook app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can update your password quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy and then select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, look for the section called Account Center. Click on it and then find the option labeled Password and Security. This is where you'll be able to manage your login details. Now, select Change Password. If you have more than one Facebook account linked, you'll need to choose the account you want to update. Make sure you pick the correct one before moving on. For security, Facebook will send a verification code to your registered email address. Head over to your email inbox, find the message from Facebook, and copy the code they sent you. Go back to the Facebook app and enter that code to verify your identity. Once you've entered the code, you'll be asked to type in your current password. After that, enter your new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Finally, click on Change Password to save your new settings. And that's it. Your Facebook password has now been updated. Remember, it's a good idea to update your passwords regularly and avoid using the same password across multiple sites. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.